I am fascinated about the fact that you are a spiritual guru. At the same time, you are also something of a rock star. You like to jump off planes, sometimes fly your own helicopters. I've seen other exciting visuals of you playing cricket and pretty much everything under the sun. What is it about you that makes you want to do that?
I know that the question is coming because a lot of people have this idea that spirituality is some kind of a disability. Spirituality is not a disability, it's a phenomenal empowerment of life. So, always the question is, oh, you're spiritual, you drive yourself, you fly yourself, you play golf, you do this, you do that, and many other things I do. If you want to do anything well, being perfectly in tune with yourself is a basic requirement. All that you are must be in perfect tune.
This is not about being superhuman. This is about realizing being human is super. Unfortunately, most human beings have chosen to exist without realizing the immensity of being human.
Many layers and dimensions of life. For this, you need an attention which will penetrate through all this and show you what it is about.
Is it more important to do what you love or love what you're doing?
If you're an intelligent person, you will try to do what you love most. But if you're a genius, you will do just what is needed. Many times even bullshit can get you to the top, but it never lets you stay there.
So Sadhguru, two major problems we all face are identity crisis and self-doubt. So, what advice can you give us?
Doubt is a very good thing. Only idiots are dead sure of what they're doing. Either you must be an idiot or you must be a fanatic. Otherwise, every moment there's a doubt about everything. It's a good way to live.
Life is an infinite number of doorways. If you're very diligent, you will open a few of them. If you're brilliant, you'll open many of them. But if you're truly vibrant, then they will open for you.
We did a survey and we found that a lot of students are under stress. Is there a way where we can be free of this?
The significance of being in a technological institute is not about just getting qualified to get some job somewhere or a passport out of the country. It should become a way of creating life, making life happen better than the way it's happening right now. If you really want to address the issues in the world, this one should never be an issue, isn't it? Please make yourself like this, that you are never the problem, you're always a part of the solution. The entire movement, what I'm heading right now, is towards moving the humanity from religion to responsibility. I want all of you with it. Thank you very much.